Hey, we're back in the garage. We're working on the track Mustang today. We're swapping out to my new track pads. Let me show you what I picked up. So we got some new Brembo blanks and some new pads. R16s in the front, some R12s, pre-bed, ready to rumble. Pretty excited to get the Brembo blanks in here too. So pretty excited to get these on the car. All right, we're going to walk through this in time lapse. I'm just going to caption what we'll be seeing is first things first, pull off the wheels. Then it's on my car, 18mm head bolts to remove the caliper and retainers. And then you'll see me disassemble everything. I'm using blue thread lock, and the torque spec in the rear is 76 foot-pounds with the thread locker. I'm also using the purple stuff as a high temp ceramic paste, if you will. Now's a good time to do a rotate. And before we do that, we're going to clean off the brake dust. So I'm just spraying the wheels down with a cleaner. It's kind of nice about this cleaner is it turns purple. You really can't see it from this camera angle. And then just rinse it off with cold water and wipe it down. Then we're all done and ready to put the wheels back on after we finish the front brakes. Now we're at the front. Very similar to the back. Obviously, we don't need to use the screw tool to compress the 4-piston calipers. With these, I just push them in by hand and then just use a small C-clamp to help me out. First, take the calipers off. It's 15 millimeter bolts. Torque spec on those is 85 foot-pounds with blue thread lock. And again, still using the same ceramic, still applying to the face of the pistons and everywhere the back of the pad or the edges of the pad touch a slider, obviously not to the pad surface, label everything, and then you're all set to go. There you have it, 10-minute brake job. Next, we'll go try them at the track.